When people ask, can you show me God? Prabhupada used to reply, you want to show me God? Yeah, I'll show you. You qualify, ready? Come on, chant Hare Krishna, follow 4 regulated principles. My job is that only, Prabhupada is saying. My job is to show you all God. Where is the question of challenge? To everybody I want to show God. That's why this movement is there, to show everybody God. But to show everybody God, first I am qualifying them. I am awakening their spiritual body, spiritual senses. And then they can see God, they can see spiritual world. Premanjana churita bhakti vilocherena santa sareva hridesha vilokayanti yam shama sundaram achintya gunaswarup. See, achintya gunaswarupam, not material gunas. There is a rupa. To go into the ocean of spiritual experience, start hearing from avyakta margavit. Start hearing from such personalities who can see things beyond your perception. And then after hearing, you practice it, then you will also become a avyakta margavit.